All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
As the project for the design and development of the indigenous 5th Generation Fighter Aircraft, FGFA, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA, makes progress, the Defense Ministry is working out a model for bringing in the private sector in a big way, which is important for timely execution of the project, according to official sources. The first prototype is expected to be ready by 2028 to 29, reported The Hindu. An official source said, the design of the AMCA is ready. The prototype is expected to roll out by 2028 to 29, and the production is expected to begin from 2030 to 2033. The target is to have it ready for induction in 2034, a decade from project sanction. An official source also said that, in preparation to have the manufacturing and deliveries on track, there is significant private industry involvement that is being envisaged. We have to decide a model for private sector involvement. A model is expected to be worked out in the next 6 months. The AMCA project is particularly critical as it is India's only FGFA that is planned for induction at a time when a series of such FGFA development projects is making progress worldwide. China, which has made great progress in the development and deployment of FGFAs, has recently deployed its twin-engine J-20 FGFA in Tibet bordering India. Cabinet Committee on Security Clearance. The AMCA project got sanction from the Cabinet Committee on Security, CCS, in March. It is envisaged as a 25-ton twin-engine stealth aircraft with internal weapons bay and diverterless supersonic intake which has been developed in India for the first time. It is intended to have an internal carriage of 1,500 kilograms of payload and 5,500 kilograms of external payload with 6,500 kilograms of internal fuel. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, which is the production agency for the project, has already initiated manufacturing activities. The development of AMCA is planned to be carried out in 2 phases, a Mk1 with the General Electric F414 engine and a Tejas Mk2 with a more powerful engine planned to be co-developed in partnership with Saran of France, for which discussions are underway. An aircraft development project, the Light Combat Aircraft Tejas Mk2, a larger and more capable aircraft than the present Tejas, is on track and the prototype is expected to be ready by 2027, the sources stated. In September 2022, the CCS gave sanction for the development of Tejas Mk2 at a total cost of 9,000 crore rupees. The Tejas Mk2 will also be powered by the GE F414 engine which produces 98 kN thrust compared to 84 kN thrust of the GE 404 engine powering the Tejas Mk1 and Mk1A. A deal to license manufacture the F414 in India by the HAL is in advanced states of conclusion. In a major development, the Cabinet Committee on Security has cleared the project to design and develop the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft 5th Generation Stealth Fighter Jet project to be undertaken by the DRDO. Under the around 15,000 crore rupees project, Defense Research and Development Organization's Aeronautical Development Agency would develop the stealth fighter jet and its technologies in partnership with various private and public sector agencies and build around 5 prototypes in around 5 years, government sources told. They said that the project would see the prototype manufactured by industry including the public sector unit Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The government has been working towards the development of indigenous technologies and the military industry. The Defense Ministry envisages that the 5th generation aircraft project would generate lakhs of jobs and the Indian Air Force orders can generate business worth lakhs of crores for Indian entities and also generate jobs at a mass scale. The indigenous fighter aircraft projects have received a major boost from the Indian Air Force under the Narendra Modi government as the government has ordered over 200 light combat aircraft along with clearance for engines for the LCA Mark II project. The AMCA is expected to start getting inducted in operational roles beyond 2030, and the first 2 squadrons are planned to be powered by the GE-414 engines, while discussions are still on to co-develop more powerful engines for the remaining squadrons. India is likely to induct over 200 of these powerful 5th-generation fighters, and the planes would also help India to develop future generations of fighter jets within the country.